let's get into it. This is the acoustic version of Beabadoobee's song Together. This is based on this version for her bedroom lullaby session, and I really enjoyed it. And I thought, great, this song, which I did not have an electric guitar for, I can finally do on my acoustic. So I want to teach it to you guys. The chord is not so much different from the other version, so we're just going to go through the strumming pattern, well, the picking pattern. And I'm going to lead you through it. I'm going to use chords and tabs to kind of visualize everything that's going on. And I'm going to link the strumming pattern with your fingers, make it all really easy for you. One thing, I get a bit tongue twisted, so help me out. And if you're confused in any way, comment down below. Now, for us who usually play strumming songs, picking patterns are voodoo. So let's break it down first by what chords are we playing. So first chord is our C5. Yep, and that's on the 3rd fret. Slide up, B5, or G. Whole verse and intro. And the cool thing about the song is that we're going to pick 3 strings at a time. So for the C5, we're going to pick the A, the D, and the B. Change it up a bit. For this E5, I hope it's E5, we play the A, the D, and the G. And then for the G5, kind of interesting because the first time we play the A, well, the E, the A, and the G, and then we switch it up for the second time and play the E, the D, and the G. You can use whichever you want if you don't want to, but that's basically it. So get that all down, and we're going to take that on the C5 and show you how that looks. So that's the thumb on the A. For the middle string, use your index. For the faraway string, or the higher string, you're going to use your marriage. And then when we go to the B5, still use the thumb, still use the index, but closer, you're going to use your middle. When we're back to G, we're going to use our thumb on the E, index on the A, and then we're going to use our marriage, E. Yeah, our marriage on the furthest string. Try to think of it like the closest string, or the lower string, middle string, high string. And that's it. And then for the second time, you can still use your index. I find that it's less confusing when you're plucking the D instead of the A. So let's show you how that looks like. So I must have confused you, like, what? Why are we using the B over here? It's just a nice kind of like throw in you can put in, and it's very essential because in the chorus, instead of plucking the G string, we're going to actually pluck the B string. And let's get into it. So with the chorus, we're going to start with B5, and like I said before, and then we're going to go down to C5, well, B5, then C5, and then still going to use the same rhythm. 1, 2, 3. Well, sorry, but E5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go back to the G5. The G, sorry, just the normal G. So we do that a couple times. Now, Bay has this like cool lick part. I wouldn't call it a lick, I'll call it a riff. Yeah, a cool riff, and I want to show you how it's done. So the chords are a bit intimidating, but I'm going to lead you through it. So it's E minor 5, minor 7, D7, C7, then back to C5, and then G. Yeah, and after playing this normal part like twice, 3 times, that's when we move on to this version, and it's towards the end of the song. So we're gonna start here, and it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You can add another one if you want, another picking on that one. So then we go back to G5, G. So we're on E minor 7. song ends by switching between the C5. Actually, you start with the G and you just switch between the two. Then you start the next verse. I actually want to do a couple of, I don't know, maybe a medley, maybe a tutorial on Hear This Out, ceilings, and a lot from Patched Up, and a lot from especially Space Cadet and Love Worm. Yeah, I thought a lot of the tutorials are not really inside, so I wanted to do some of those. So tell me down in the comments if you're interested in that, and I'll look at those. And see you later, guys. Here's a little sneak peek from Ceilings.